I feel like how you watch the NBA is different from how I watch the NBA because you're much younger than me. But I think at my age, Tim, I like to watch the NBA for people who have interesting personalities. I really don't care too much about the teams and stuff. I like watching certain players, and that's it.
Yeah, we need to get familiar with their background so that we can know, why he played in NBA League and what's his target. You need to know the introduction, you need to know the background context first of a person and then watch him how he perform it.
Some people just have a certain style when they play and they stick out like a sore thumb.
Yeah, it's when you play your style of playing is reflect of your personality in real life.
You play
That's
basketball, right?
Yeah, I play basketball.
Do you think you can beat me?
I don't know.
If you played me one on one, do you think you can beat me?
Maybe not.
Yeah. I hate to break your heart, man, but you can't. You won't even come close. Sorry, man.
I'm still growing, so maybe I will
Yeah.
grow to 6'2".
When you grow up, call me and then I'll come play you in basketball.
Okay.
You'll be here, right? You're going to be in America soon.
Maybe I won't go there for education, but maybe for a trip.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?